Hello friend, welcome to Yasser Altaaf YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Verizon Wireless Business International Plan. So चलते हैं हम अपनी स्क्रीन पे. So guys, आ चुके हैं हम अपनी स्क्रीन पे. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Verizon Wireless offered several international plans and options for business customers to help them stay connected while traveling abroad. However, keep in mind that plans detail and offering can change over time, so I recommended visiting Verizon official website or contacting their customer service of the most up to date information on their international business plans. Here are some common features and options that were typically available. Travel Pass. Verizon Travel Pass allow business customer to use their existing domestic plan while traveling internationally in more than 185 countries. With Travel Pass, you will be charged a daily fee only the daily you use your phone abroad. This allows the cost predictability. International roaming. In addition to Travel Pass, Verizon offered international roaming for business users. This option might be suitable for business with associational international travel needs. Global data plans. Verizon provides Verizon data plans tailored to international travel, offering a specific amount of high-speed data that can be used in select countries. Once the allotted high-speed data is exhausted, a user will still have access the data at reduced speeds. Unlimited international calling. Some business plans included unlimited international calling to specific countries or region. This can be advantageous for business with international client or partners. Global SIM card. Verizon offered global SIM card for business that required multiple employees to stay connected internationally. This SIM card called be used in a compatible device and provides access to Verizon global network partners. International calling and messaging plan. Business called OPT for international calling and messaging adds on their existing plan. These are ones typically offer discounting rates of international calls and text message. International mobile hotspot. If your business required mobile hotspot functionally while abroad, Verizon had option for international mobile hotspot plan, allowing you to share your data connection with other device. International device support. Verizon typically provide information and support from ensuring that you can business device were compatible with international networks and had the necessary setting for roaming. Pay as you go for businesses with required international travel. Verizon also offered pay as you go option where you pay from for the services you use without committing to a specific plans. 24/7 customer support. Verizon usually offer 24/7 customer support for business traveling internationally, so you could get assistance with any issue or question that arise during your trip. सो गाइस, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.